Hey guys, and welcome back to Jazz Aviation. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day today. We're gonna be doing the first annual, you could say, model airplane collection video. I know we don't have a lot of model airplanes,
but we're barely getting started.
Yeah. If you could hear some noise, it's like the AC. So yeah, we're also gonna be including the broken models
and the fighter jets.
The fighter jets. So yeah. Without further delay, let's get started.
Here we have a Southwest Boeing 737 in the Heart 1 livery, as you can see it says right there, and it also has the heart.
See? Look at that. And then over here we have a Spirit in or people call it the banana because it's yellow.
Livery.
Yeah, because it's
or
yellow.
Or the Minion livery.
Yeah, it's a Airbus. I was about to say Boeing, but it's an Airbus A319.
Or Airbus A320. Here we have a Delta. Also known as the Flying Pencil. Airbus A350. So yeah.
And also we're gonna right here in the front, it's gonna be like our North American Airlines, and then like Hawaiian Airlines. Canada Airlines, and then from here to back here, like European and Dubaian Airlines, fighter jets, and then like North American Airlines. So my brother's gonna say this one.
Here we have in Aeromexico, or Aeromexico in English, Dreamliner, a Boeing 787.
And then over here we have in Alaska one of our broken models. As you can see, it's like scratched. The cockpit doesn't have any windows. And then like the nose gear
and the elevators are broken.
Yeah, and then like the tail is kind of like scratched, and then our front nose landing gear is broken.
I don't know what happened to it. I think that was like my first airplane model.
Over here we have a Hawaiian, Airbus A320 or Airbus A330. We don't know. This one's scratched, as you can see. It's not broken from the bottom. It's still like in like ship shape. As you can see, it's like not wiggly or anything. But the like wings are broken. Like this one's like a little bit broken from the top, and then this one is broken, as you can see, because this one is shorter than the other wing. So yeah, over here we have an Air Canada, one of our Canadian airlines. It's a Boeing 757. And then over here for our last airplane or airline for like the front section, it's a Lufthansa. I also want a Lufthansa in the Lufthansa livery. I really want that one. We'll see if we get that one.
You didn't say the Boeing.
Oh yeah, it's a Boeing 787. Excuse me. Thank you, my brother, for reminding me. And then this is a European, and then we're gonna be getting back here to in the second row to our fighter jets, private jet, and then like European Airlines and Dubai Airlines.
Here we have like my brother said, a Dubai Airlines in Etihad, Dreamliner. This guy is in the regular livery,
and it's a Boeing 787.
Well, actually, I think the regular livery, except for the old one. And this is a Boeing 787,
and also the KLM is.
Yep. So this is also known as the Flying Dutchman. It says the Sky Team. Wait, is it the Sky Team? Yes, the Sky Team logo, and also for this one, the Delta's the Sky Team logo, and this one the Sky Team logo, and then the Air Canada Star Alliance logo, and then the Lufthansa also the.
And as I told you guys, Alaska is broken, so we don't know if it's the Star Alliance or Sky Team or
No, I don't think this is in any. Yeah, this isn't in any Star Alliance.
Oh yeah, like the Southwest, it isn't either, and the Spirit. But yeah, over here we have a Qantas. It says, as you can see, Spirit of Australia. It's an Airbus A380, as you can see. 4 engine, and actually, let me get a closer look. I don't know what that is. I don't know if it's like the Star Alliance. I don't know. I don't think that's the Star Alliance or the Sky Team.
Where? Oh no, no, it says it doesn't say anything.
So yeah.
Here we have a private jet. So I don't know what it is, a Boeing or an Airbus.
I don't think it's not. It's just like a private jet.
It's just a blue private jet with red windows.
And then over here we have Top Gun Maverick airplane. I think it's a Maverick. I think it's a P-31. I don't know if I can get it to focus. I don't think I can, but it's a P-31 Maverick, I think.
Here we have a helicopter. We call it the spy helicopter because it looks like black, because it's black.
But the fighter jets, the fighter jets, we don't include them because we don't know like routes for them, and also the helicopter, we don't know routes for them. And then if we do include
just like bases.
Yeah, Hawaiian we do include it in our airport updates, but Alaska we don't. We only put it like in the hangar, or we don't include it at all if we don't have a hangar, or we don't
like
include
we
the hangar.
pretend it's getting like barely built and barely like getting painted.
Yeah. And then my brother could see this one since it's his favorite color.
Here we have a blue camo fighter jet.
It's in the American symbol, American Navy, I think, symbol, and then it says USAF. And then so that completes row 2. So now let's go back to our last row 3. Over here we have and the Lufthansa box was in the back of the. So over here, let me get a closer look here, guys, for you. It says U.S. Air Force. As you can see, it has like I think it's a Navy symbol, the U.S. Navy symbol, and then it says USAF. So yeah. And then over here we have a again with another U.S. American Navy symbol. And here we have a fighter jet. It's in camo green.
And I just saw in the box, and this plane is actually this one, but in real life, and it actually says Dreamliner, as you can see right there in the back. But funny thing is, this one does not say Dreamliner in any of the sides.
Yeah. So yeah, let's put that one back. My Lufthansa box is in the way. Here we have a Nighthawk, as you could see. It says USAF. It doesn't have the U.S. American Navy symbol, but yeah, it's all black. I like it because my favorite color is black and red and white. And then over here we have a UPS. It says Worldwide Services right there. It's a Boeing 787 or 7. What is it again, brother?
747.
Oh yeah, 747. Excuse me. And it's a 4-engine UPS.
And here we have a Boeing 747. The United States, also known as the United States of America airplane. It also has the U.S. Navy symbol, and it also says USAF.
Yeah, so it has my brother said the U.S. I'm giving you a closer look. The U.S. Navy symbol. It says USAF. And then back here it has like the United States of American flag. So that concludes our airplane model airplanes collection video for you guys. I know it was a short one, but it's for what we have right now. So let me count how much airlines we have. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We have 20 in all, but if you were just counting these, you would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So yeah. Hope you guys like this model airplane collection video. Our first one, but more soon to come.
So yeah, as my brother said, hopefully you guys like it. Make sure to like and subscribe and
comment down below on every video, including this video. Thank you guys. guys for watching this like first annual, you could say, or first major model airplane collection video. More soon to come, and we might have some new airlines, or we might have the same, but it's okay. Right now it's with what we have. Soon we'll be making even more longer model airplane collection videos. So yeah, hope you guys like this.
And I don't know if my brother showed this angle, but there are all the planes. So yeah, this will probably be like the front cover of the video.
Yeah. So yeah, hope you guys like this first annual you could say model airplane collection video. So yeah, like, subscribe, more soon to come. Comment down below on every video, including this video. This is Jabs Aviation signing off, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Thanks for watching Jabs Aviation. We'll see you next time. Peace out.
Bye, guys.